How to add a different language keyboard on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the system settings on your Mac. Over here you need to scroll down on the left hand side panel till you find this option of keyboard on the left hand side panel. Simply select it, and after that you would be able to find the option of languages. When we scroll down, and here you get the option to edit it. Simply click on edit, and here you get different options where you can select any other language as well. Suppose I want to search for Hindi, I would just simply select it and click on OK, and now I have two languages over here, and this way you can select even more than two as well if you want to. And this is for dictation. Now if you want to edit for the input text, simply click on edit over here and then click on this option of plus over here, and here you get different languages. Simply select any of the language, and this way you would be able to select the language quite easily, and click on add. And as soon as you add another language, you would be able to see a different icon right beside your Wi-Fi icon on the top, and after that click on done. Now we can select that icon on the top and select the new language, and we can also click on show keyboard. This way we can simply type according to our needs and requirements quite easily. And this is how easy it is to switch languages quite easily. Now let's switch it back and we can type again in English, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.